Imagine launching or scaling a high-demand, recession-resistant business with the confidence that comes from certified professional training. Hi, my name is Brandon Stone with Biotrauma 911, and our biohazard remediation training course gives you exactly that and more. This comprehensive program doesn't just teach biohazard cleanup. It equips you with real-world, revenue-generating skills in biohazard remediation, hoarding and clutter cleaning, and business management so you can operate efficiently, safely, and profitably from day one. You'll learn industry-approved biohazard remediation procedures, proper PPE use, regulatory compliance, and proven cleanup techniques trusted by professionals nationwide. Beyond the technical skills, we show you how to price jobs, manage operations, market your services, and scale your business, turning knowledge into income. This is practical, actionable training designed for people who want results, not theory. Right now is the perfect time to act. For a limited time, this course is available at an exclusive 60% off, a powerful opportunity to invest in your future at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're starting a new venture or expanding your existing services, this training positions you as a credible, certified expert in a rapidly growing industry. Don't wait. Take control of your future, increase your earning potential, and stand out from the competition. Visit biohazardcourse.com today to lock in your 60% savings and start building a stronger, smarter, and more profitable business now.